Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Flirty Feet Instant Foot Peeling Spray. It's received 4.3 out of 5 stars and over 20,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Step into softness with Flirty Feet Instant Foot Peeling Spray, your secret to irresistibly smooth, touchable feet. This innovative spray gently exfoliates and removes dead, rough skin in minutes, revealing baby soft feet that you'll love to show off. No more tedious scrubbing or expensive pedicures. Just spray, wait, and watch the dry skin simply peel away. Perfect for busy lifestyles, Flirty Feet makes foot care effortless and effective. Treat your feet to the pampering they deserve and flaunt your flirty, flawless feet with confidence. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.